Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is NURYASMEEN HUMAIRA binti Muhammad SHAARI.
So my name is AMIRAH BALQIS binti MAT210 from CS103B.
My name is MUIZZUDDIN bin JUPRI.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Aiman HAKIM bin ALISAMUDDin.
Our objective for this project is first to encourage and enable students to recognize how to decode and encode a coded message using the matrix inverse and matrix multiplication. Next, our objective is to develop mathematical curiosity among students.
Okay, so for the October 2016 4C. Okay, so we pick the question 4C involve encode and decode topic. So for the first step, it is better for us to sort the code by its alphabet based on your Huffman code given. So to read alphabet R from the top, we will go through the left path that label as 1, and then we pick left path again that label as 1. Okay, so the last part before we reach alphabet R is the left part which is labeled as 1, 2. So write down the number that we have passed. So we have encoded alphabet R as 111. Okay, so next we need to encode U. So the first path we choose is the left part labeled as 1. Then the left path again before finally take the right path to encode U. Okay, so we'll write down U as 110. Okay, so next to encode alphabet A, we need to take the left path before take the right path to reach A, and then we encoded A10. So and then we proceed on encoded to encode alphabet T. We will take the right path labeled as 0 from the top, and then choose the left path and finally left path again to reach T. Okay, so note down T as 001. Okay, so the next for the alphabet N, we will take the right path from the top, the left path labeled as 1, and then the last one we will take the right path labeled as 0. So we have N encoded as 010. Okay, so next the final alphabet E, we need to take the right path from the top and then the right path again. So we have N encoded as 00. We'll proceed to the first Roman question, which is need us to decode 111 11 00 10. Okay, so look properly on the first possible combination of number, and so we take the first three number, which is 111, and then check the alphabet that we encoded earlier. Okay, so 111 represent as R, and then we focus on the next combination number, which is 110 that represent as U, while the last three digits represent as N. Okay, so next to decode 0100010011. Okay, so look at that possible combination number. We have 010 represent as N, 00 represent as E, 10 represent as A, and 011 represent as T. Okay, so we have so the word is NET, net. Okay, so the second Roman question required us to encode. So the first word is red, and R will encode it as 111, and then we have A that we will decode as 10, and then T will decode or encode as 0111, and then we have E that will decode it as 00. Okay, so next for Q, we have T will decode as 011, and then U will decode as 110, N will decode 010, and E will decode it as 00. Okay, so next for E, we will have E to decode as 00, A will decode it as 10, and R will decode it as 111. Okay, thank you.
Okay, next. This question needs us to construct a full binary tree. This given question is 3x plus 6 square minus y divided by z power of 3 plus 8 power of 10. First, we need to change the equation to an easier form. The easier form is 3 times x plus 6 power of 2 minus y divided by z power of 3 plus 8 power of 10. We need to choose the root of the 3, which is the main operation of the equation. The root knot will be filled with divide symbol and it has 2 child. The left knot is subtract symbol and the right knot is power symbol. Let's focus on the right equation first. From the power knot, it has a leaf on the right side filled with number 10, and the left side has a knot filled with addition symbol. From the addition symbol, the right knot will fill with number 8 and the left knot will fill with power symbol. From the power symbol, the right knot will fill with number 3 and the left knot will fill with Z. Okay, now focus at the left equation. From the knots that fill with subtract symbol, it has a leaf at the right side filled with Y and the left side filled with power symbol. From the power symbol, it has a leaf at the right side filled with number 2 and the left side filled with addition symbol. From the addition knot, it has a leaf at the right side filled with number 6 and the left side filled with multiplication notes. For the last one, from the multiplication notes, it has a leaf at the right side which is filled with x and the left side which is filled with number 3. Okay, next question. We need to determine the height of the tree. Height means the longest level of the tree, so we need to count the level from the root until bottom, which is the root is level 0, and we count 1, 2, 3 until the bottom notes. So this question, the answer is level 5. For the last question, we need to determine the descendants of the subtract knot. We need to look at the all knots below the subtract knot and write down all the knots, which is the subtract knots, and below the knots subtract is y, power, 2, addition, 6, multiplication, x, and 3.
For the next question, based on the Huffman code below, for the first Roman, decode 01111, 00100010, and 111001111. For the second Roman, include the word slip and pen. So, for the first step, we need to sort the code by its alphabet based on the Huffman code given. In order to reach alphabet S, from the top, we will go through the left path that label S1 and then repeat the left path again that label S1 so that we can encode S as 1, 1. Next, we need to encode alphabet A. The first path that we choose is the left path that label S1 and then the right path to reach A. So that we can encode A as 10. For the alphabet D, we need to take the right path from the top before we take the left path that label S1 until the end so that we can encode D as 01111. Next, we will proceed with the alphabet L. For the alphabet L, we will take the right path that label as 0 from the top and then we choose the left path and once again before finally take the right path to reach L. Then we can note down L as 01110. Next, for the alphabet P, we will take the right path from the top and then the left path that label S1 twice, and then the last one we take the right path so that we can have P that encoded as 0110. The alphabet N will be reached by taking the right path from the top and then the left and finally to the right path so that we can have N encoded as 010. For the final alphabet, which is E, need us to take the right path from the top and then the right path again so that we can encode E as 0. So now, we will proceed with the first Roman question, which needed us to decode 01111 0010010. So now, look properly on the first possible combination of number. So we can take the first 5 digits, which are 01111, and check the alphabet that we include earlier. So 01111 represent as T, and then we can focus on the next combination of number, which are 00 that represent as E, and then 10 represent as A, and the last 3 digits represent as N. So the overall combination of these numbers were decoded as DEAN, DEAN. So next, we need to decode 111001111. So look at the possible combination of number. 11 represent as S, 10 represent as A, and the last 5 digits represent as T. So these numbers decoded as SAD, SAD. The second Roman question required us to encode 3 words. For the first word is sleep. S we encoded as 11, L we encoded as 01110, double E we encoded as 0000, and P we encoded as 0110. For the next word is N. A we encoded as 10, N we encoded as 010, and D we encoded as 01111. And for the last word is pen. P we encoded as 0110, E we encoded as 00, and N we encoded as 010.
So next is question 4. The first question need us to construct a full binary tree. So the given algebra expression is square root of 4 times x square plus y minus 1 over 3t minus 5. We need to change the algebra expression to an simple form. Here the simple form that we have changed to. We need to choose the root for the binary tree. Every operator will become a root or a parent if it has an operand. Let's focus on the left node from the root. We will fill with division symbol, and the division symbol will have another child, which is for the left side we fill with addition symbol, and for the right side we fill with subtraction symbol. As from the subtraction node, it has leaf filled with number 5 at the right side, and the left side will be a node filled with multiplication symbol. From the multiplication node, it has 2 leaf filled with number 3 on the left side, and on the right side we will fill it with T. So we have done on the right side, and let's focus on the addition node. It has another 2 children, the left with multiplication symbol and the right side with subtraction symbol. So at the right side, for subtraction node, we will have 2 leaf, which is the right side we will fill with number 1, and on the left side we will fill with the word y. So we back to the multiplication node. On the left side, there will be a leaf filled with number 4 on the left side, and power node will be on the right side as another child for the multiplication node. Finally, from the power node, there will be 2 leaf. The right side we will fill with number 2, and the left side we will fill with the word x. So we have done with constructing the full binary tree. So next question, we need to determine the height for our binary tree. The root of the tree is level 0, so we count until the last and longest node of the tree, which is x. So the height of the binary tree is level 5. So for the last question, we need to state the number of leaf from our binary tree. The leaf is a node without a child or descendant. So we have the node for the leaf, and the answer is 4. X, 2, Y, 1, 3, E, 5, 1, and 2.